Good news for gaming fans! The highly anticipated game Call of Duty Black Ops 7 is leaked, along with the consoles it'll be available on. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Activision, the owner of the popular game Call of Duty, is set to release the newest edition of the game series. The game is set to have a full launch at the Gamescom opening night live on August 19th, where the full reveal will take place. However, according to an industry leaker, the release date for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 is November 14th, which is very near. One more thing that's been revealed is that this much-awaited game will only be available on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox consoles. But wait, where will the Nintendo users go? According to the leaks, it said that the military shooter will not be available on Nintendo Switch 2. Activision has said it's committed to bringing Call of Duty to Nintendo's platform, while there's no word on a Switch 2 port of Black Ops 7. By the way, the game's confirmed to release on the other devices, including PC via Steam, Xbox PC app Battle.net, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, and Xbox Series SX. As for the price tag, Deal Labs revealed that the standard version will cost $80. However, that's not the case. Saving alert for the gamers. As per the tipster, Black Ops 7 will be priced at the usual $69.99. But on the other hand, the Vault Edition is said to be priced at $99.99. You can even pre-order the game after the sale goes live this week on August 20th, after the expected official reveal of the game at Gamescom opening night live. Black Ops 7 was teased at the Xbox Games Showcase in June as well. Not to mention, Treyarch and Raven Software developing the next Call of Duty that'll make it the first ever back-to-back Black Ops release in Call of Duty history. That will be so cool. Are you excited for the new Call of Duty Black Ops 7 as much as we are? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.